Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable gaming mode or change the latency on the QCY Buds ANC. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, then take the earbuds out of the case and make sure that they have been paired to the app prior. So now we're going to press device, press setting, and here we have gaming mode. So basically when you enable gaming mode, the latency with which the sound travels to your earbuds from the phone will be massively reduced. So for example, when you're playing and you need that latency to be reduced, just enable gaming mode. And if you want to disable it, just press it again and it'll be disabled. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.